guys, this is Mrs. Bullock. I have an assignment that we're going to start on Thursday, and it's called the South Asia Foldable. And so for people who are quarantined remote, doing the same assignment in class that we're doing for you guys, this will be a PDF, or it'll be on there for you, the South Asia Foldable. And I also have the text pages, screenshot of each textbook page, so you can see a picture of it. I also have a PDF where I copied it. I think the screenshots are easier to read. So I provide page numbers, and these are the topics: Geography of South Asia, Buddhism, Hinduism, Strength for Independence, Partition of India, Gandhi, and then on the back, India Today. Each section's worth 10 points, and you must include accurate information, details about the topic. I provide page numbers, and you need to make sure it's organized, it's easy to read. Now I'm going to show you how to put it together in the foldable. So I know that you're at home, remote or quarantine. When you're done with the foldable, you just take a picture of it and submit that picture. So the Geography of South Asia is pretty much what we just did. Mount Everest, which is dominant of South Asia, but there's also other physical features in South Asia. Buddhism is one of the religions. Remember, we talked about the belief systems at Siddhartha Gautama. This was a few weeks ago. Then you have Hinduism, which is, as we talked about, Gandhi is a religious leader for Hindus. They are polytheistic, many gods. There are various symbols that Hindus use. Struggle for independence is in South Asia, India. They used to be controlled by the British, and they fought to gain their own independence and be in charge of their own government, and Gandhi really helped do that. The partition of India is that there was this partition, division, fight, conflict between Pakistan and India, and it's still a little bit there today about land and how they partitioned, divided the area between the two in 1947, and it's on page 398 to 399. Like, what was it? Talk about it. Gandhi, obviously, his struggle to help India gain its independence and what he did to make that happen. He led non-violent, peaceful protests. And then India Today is, what is India like? Bollywood, which is very similar to Hollywood. A lot of movies are being made in India Today. And what's happening in many countries is that our country in particular is outsourcing. We are sending jobs to India because it's cheaper to pay the workers there. So there's a section about that. So this is what you're going to do, the foldable. Your foldable will end up like this. Now, mine's ugly, okay? But it gives you an idea of what you're going to do, and you're going to take your information per topic. So Geography, South of Asia. You're going to talk about Mount Everest and the geography, and you're going to write that information here and here. The next topic will be Buddhism, and you're going to put Buddhism information underneath. Then you have Hinduism, boom, about the Hindus. Struggle for independence will be here. And then underneath will be the next topic. And then you've got Gandhi, and then India Today. So it'll be a foldable that you'll put together. Now, you're like, I don't have plain pieces of paper. You can use construction paper. You can use plain notebook paper. There is no particular type of paper that you have to use. It could be small, it could be large, whatever. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to put it together. So what I did is I used 3 pieces, actually it's 4 pieces of paper, but I'll show you what you're going to do with the 4. You take 3 pieces of paper, it can be construction paper, notebook paper, it don't matter, and you're going to put it like this. You're going to just basically stagger it, just like this. Now you might want to put it together, make sure it's pretty even. You don't have to be perfect, okay? So you got it staggered just like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold over. Now you want to make sure your fold, look, I hope I don't mess this up, is like this. See what I'm doing? I'm folding over. Boom, look at that. Woo! Okay? And I'm going to go just like that. Snap! I fold that bad boy, just like that. Woo! Yeah! Now you need 7 categories. So I got 6 here, okay? Right here. What I'm going to do with the last piece of paper, get another piece of paper, boom, is I'm just going to put it on the very back. See that? Now, you notice you're like, but Miss Bullock, it's a little bigger. You can trim it up. That's up to you. And then what I'm going to do, let me grab my stapler, my peeps, is you're going to staple the top. Now, I've had kids in the past actually take it and punch holes in the top and shoestring it. Thread, yarn, you name it, man. You can just staple it. And you're going to then put your categories, like the assignment. okay, which is here. So this is the first category, Geography of South Asia. You'll put it there. And then the next, Buddhism, Hinduism, and you'll just put it here, label it here. And then underneath, as you flip it, is the information about that category. So we're going to talk about this when you join the Google Meet. If you don't join the Google Meet, that's why I did this video, so you know what you need to do. Some of you that are remote or quarantine have a textbook. Some of you do not. That's why I provide screenshots of each textbook page or a PDF file where I had to copy it. But it's in there, okay? And so you just have to use it. I'm pretty excited. We've done this before, and kids seem to like it. It's really easy to do. You can color it. I've had kids use large pieces of construction paper, smaller, notebook paper. I've even had people use craft paper. And because it's South Asia, I've had kids use like really cool, like one student used craft paper had peace symbols all over it. It was really cute because Hinduism, Buddhism is very much into that nature, love of nature, peaceful movement that we've talked about before. I've had kids use paper like brown paper because it represents the mountains, and so they've actually drawn some mountains on there, some different symbols. So that's up to you, but this I will talk about a sign on Thursday, and it will not be due until the following Tuesday, March 2nd. Okay, so I hope you have a great day. Thanks.